Hey guys, welcome to the S-Way. If you guys are on Instagram, then you would know that there are some cool sari styles highly trending on Instagram, and I'm like, oh my god, I could have never before thought that sari could be so much fun, so much cool, and I'm highly inspired by those styles and thought why not to create some of them myself and share it with you all. Those of you who are not on Instagram, you are to discover some of the funnest way in which sari can be worn. And yeah, I'll start with the most conventional way in which we wear sari, which I still believe is the most graceful way to wear a sari, and then I'll follow with a little play with sari and create a few looks, so guys, stay tuned.
To begin, take the end of sari and start wrapping it around you, starting from the middle of the petticoat, approaching from your left, and then tug it all around you. While wrapping your sari as shown, leave a significant length in the front side, then pass the pulu of your sari across your shoulder. Now, start folding the length in front and tuck it in neatly. Your first look is ready. For the second style, start making plaits on your pallu. Take a belt and tie it high on your waist, and here goes your second look. For the third look, bring the pallu of the sari to your front and put a belt across as shown, and then you're good to go. For the fourth look, simply loosen the pallu of the sari and let it sag on your back, and you're just good to go. For the fifth and final look, simply wrap the pallu of your sari around your neck as shown, and then you're ready to slay your Instagram stories.
If you enjoyed watching this video, do give it a thumbs up, and if you love the styles, do create some of them yourself. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you stay notified of my upcoming videos. I will see you in the next video. Until then, this is Saree signing off. Bye bye.